people, how are you getting on? Welcome to Saigon, or should I say Ho Chi Minh City, whichever you prefer, they're both the same. You like Ho Chi Minh, I prefer Saigon. Oh, my ears are popping. We're in the elevator here, the Heineken experience, going up a very tall building. I was told it was a really good thing to do, so let's go. And it's Danina from the end of one of the last videos, and she's actually from the Netherlands, so...
Fuck, I'm doing it here!
We're gonna see if it lives up to her expectations. Very nice views up here, 360 degrees. The weather is absolutely terrible today, which is kind of why I've come here today, because it's raining and there's not much you can do outside, so perfect thing to do today, except it does hinder the view a little bit.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Minh.
And how long have you been working at the Heineken? Not very long. Trainee?
Yeah,
not very long.
Nearly a month.
Okay, how is it? You like it?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
I have time to meet a lot of people. Yeah.
Respect. So I forgot to mention, we're actually on top. The Bitexo financial tower was finished in 2010, and according to this thing over here, I don't know who made it up, it's number 5 on the top 20 most iconic buildings in the world. It stands at 262 meters. I don't want a picture of me. I want this picture of this family. I want to buy this one of this family and put this. I take this picture home and I put this on my wall of this family. Is it okay? How much? $5. $5. But yeah, but this one here with these people, I like this photo. Can I pay $5 and I take this photo? $5. Yeah, I like this one. Can I take it? $5. Okay, perfect. That was floor 49, now we're heading up to floor 60.
The glass and where the view overflowing straight up the glass. Slowly.
Oh my god, wow. Well done, well done.
Miserable. It's taking for ages, right? It's not that good though. It's not.
I normally wouldn't put the head that high. I've worked in bars many times.
Really?
This is what they just said. I think that's not a great pint, but she thinks it's good. Mon, I, ba, yo, yo man.
Yo.
I can take a photo from you. Okay, so a lot of fun so far, loads of different games to do and stuff. We just tasted Heineken 00, which is the new non-alcoholic Heineken that's coming out. I actually rate it. I think it's nice. It's a good alternative if you're driving. Danina does not like it. And what was the other one we tasted? It was called...
Wild Lager.
Wild Lager. It's not available yet. We're still testing it, I believe. I didn't personally like it. I gave it a 5, but...
A 9.
She gave it a 9. She gave it a 9.
8 out of 9.
Whatever you gave it. But now we're enjoying our free beers that come. I went for the, well, you don't get a pint, you get a half pint, and she got a bottle because you get more in a bottle, but I kind of wanted something a bit fresher, you know, from the tap. And did you know that Vietnam is the 4th largest consumer of Heineken in the world? So that's why the Heineken experience is only available here in Ho Chi Minh City or in Amsterdam, which is random. I never expected to come here and do a Heineken experience. Random. Okay, so that wraps up the Heineken tour. It was very, very good. It was worth every penny. It was 250,000. That's literally about 10 euros. So for 10 euro, you get a good tour around, loads of stuff to see. How many beers did we get?
4.
4 beers?
Yeah, 2 at the bar, 1 before the bar, and this one. So it's 4.
So you pull one yourself, and then you get 2 vouchers. You get a bottle of water, and then you get one of these. And what does my one say on it? Can you see right there?
Yeah.
Anyway, that's the end of this video. It was a short one, but if you liked it, make sure to hit the like button, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Constructive criticism, always welcome, anything to make the videos better. And yeah, if you're new around here, sub to Mer. See you real soon. Good luck.